You know, many people have said I'm the kind of guy who calls a spade a spade. I also call a spade bit a spade bit. Let's take a look at this spade drill bit set real quick and try it out, see how they work. All right, let's check these puppies out. This is a 14-piece set. Oh, look at this carrying case. This makes me feel very, very debonair. Oh, wow. Yeah, these look decent. This has a bit holder. Okay, so you can quick change them out with this bit holder. I see. I'll tell you what strikes me right off the bat with these. Let's grab the big one so you can really see it. Is the tip on these things. So to make your initial hole, because you don't want to just go in with the spade, you got to start with a smaller hole. You see how it's got a little bit cut out from it? That makes these things really cut and bite easily. I bet these drill really fast through wood. Boy, and they're sharp too. Holy smokes. Oh yeah, see, there's, instead of just being flat, there's a little contouring here to make these things really bite. Yeah, this is looks like a decent set. Let's try drilling some holes. I will start with this 1.5 inches and just see how fast it goes. We'll just put it to the big test right away. Okay, so spoiler alert, I've already tried drilling a test hole because I just want to try these things out without talking. 1.5 inch bit, went through it fine. DeWalt drill on level 1. We want high torque, low speed usually using these. We drill out a lot of wine barrels out here to turn into planters, so we go through a lot of these bits. So let's just see how it works. So we're going to get the tip on there and just start this guy up. That was really quick. 1.5 inch hole. That's a lot of wood to move. This is just a regular 2x4 stud. Pretty clean hole. We're not seeing a lot of chipping here. Boy, yeah, if we're drilling through stuff like this, it seems to do just fine. So yeah, really happy with that. What a nice, really comprehensive set this is as well. So yeah, this is going right in the toolbox for when we start drilling out more wine barrels.